Okay, so I hope you guys forgive me for starting my video like this. I mean, you're gonna have to forgive me. You guys forgive me, right? But anyways, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Brittany Lauren. I'm a 20-year-old mom slash lifestyle and beauty blogger, whatever. And I shouldn't even be filming this right now because I have somewhere to go. But pretty much you see at the title and by what I'm doing, I'm doing the cat method. And I'm gonna try to lay my wig really quick before I go to work. So I already applied this Got2b. I already applied this Got2b around the perimeter, and I had left it there to dry. Of course, it's taking long, and I feel like this spray helps it dry faster. So yeah, I'm ODing. And I guess you guys pretty much get the gist of how this works. I'm just trying it, so you guys are gonna watch me try it. I have the Ghost Bond glue. I'll show you guys. Glue is not really that dry, but I'm just gonna try anyways. This part scares me if I don't know cut my hair. But yeah, so this is my first time. I like it. So the only thing that's I'm skeptical about is forehead space for some reason. I've Got2b glued my wigs down previously, and my first time doing it, of course I didn't do it right because of course I don't know how to lay my wig yet. I had to do trial and error. As you guys will see, I'll link the videos, and I had to test out multiple products. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is, the first time I tried to, the first time I laid my wig somewhat successfully, I laid it too far up. You know what I'm saying? And it was really uncomfortable. I couldn't do this comfortably, and now I don't like stuff like that. I want to be open to do whatever I want. I don't want my beauty. I don't need my beauty to be hurting. I want to be comfortable, beautiful. So that is just my only concern about this method. Will my forehead be able to breathe? But I watched a lot of videos about this. Anything else I do before I go do something, I just go do it before I watch videos and be damn, I should watch the video first. But thank God I watched a few videos, so I'm kind of, optimistic right now about it. It's still kind of wet, so I'm gonna let it dry. Yeah, so the reviews or the videos I saw, they seem pretty good. The girl's hair came out pretty nice. And the glue I'm gonna be using today, which I'll show you guys again. And they say that, they don't get any edge fallout or whatever because they take it out properly. And I'm hearing as long as you remove it with alcohol, you'll be okay. Ladies, if you're gonna use one of your makeup brushes for your hair and then you wanna use it on your face again, you better wash it and put some alcohol on it. But yeah, I feel like this cap is a little too dark. I don't know. So I'm just gonna add some foundation. And I just actually put a freaking liquid foundation like an idiot. So I'm gonna just go over this with powder. I can't believe I did that. Wow. That looks a little crazy, but I guess it's just gonna have to work. It's just gonna have to work. So I'm gonna take these Q-tips I put in alcohol and just clean around where I wanna put the glue. And I think I'm gonna put the glue on the actual cap as well. I don't see the harm that can do.
Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight, not for the night. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got screws to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, got the lights, pay the price, niggas think it's sweet. It's on sight, nothing nice, Vegas on my ice, Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like, that's
the battery is dying, y'all.
You not a threat, When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm Book, wet like I'm Lizzie. I be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him, tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels.